Hi, my name is Laura Bird. I play golf here at UNCP, and I'm a junior. When I watch TV, because I don't have time, it's on Sports Center probably. When people complain and when they don't try, like don't give it a shot, or they just don't even try. They just give up. That's my biggest pet peeve. Definitely basketball. I can answer that quick. I played basketball in high school, and I peaked my senior year, and Coach Haskins kind of taught to me a little bit about basketball, but it would definitely be that. I came to UNCP because, one, it's been a big part of my life growing up. I am a local, and it's close to home, it's affordable, and I got a scholarship to play golf. To always do your best and keep going. You're gonna fail, you're gonna fall. It's how we get back, how we come back from that really makes us who we are. To have fun. Golf is a sport that it's 4 hours long. Your first hole might not go as planned, and so it's just taking it shot by shot, and applying that to life. So taking it, moment by moment and just walking through it. Definitely would say a conference championship. I think that it is a realistic goal because I have 2 years left, and probably get my GPA up to like a 3.9, hopefully 4.0. We can shoot for that, but definitely. I think everybody answers this question and they say, I want people to remember me as a good student, a good person. And I do want people to remember me like that, but also, as somebody who genuinely cared, somebody who I'm a Christian, so I want people to remember me as a Christian, as somebody who walked with Christ and just loved on people. Yes.